Good morning student. Today we will start with photoelectric effect lecture 1. Suppose in a M metal surface or sodium metal. So the sodium atomic number is 11. So its valency will be 281. Suppose the electrons hit the metal. Electrons will hit the metal. So electrons will get ejected. Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy will be the work function of the electron. So the work function will be h nu naught. Incident electron energy will be, let's suppose incident electron energy is E1. So this change in potential energy, kinetic energy will be of kinetic energy of the ejected electron and the kinetic energy of ejected electron. Let's say kinetic energy of ejected electron is E2. So E1 plus h nu naught is equal to E2. So E2 minus E1 equal to h nu. So the equation is h nu is equal to delta E, and nu naught is the frequency, incident electron frequency. Nu naught is a C by lambda naught. Lambda naught is the threshold wavelength. So this is the Einstein energy relation. Hc by lambda naught is equals to delta E. So the final formula for threshold wavelength will be Hc by delta E. If you plot the graph between threshold wavelength on the y-axis and delta E plot on the x-axis, so it will be a straight line passing through the origin, and slope will be tan theta will be the slope. Value slope is hc. C the speed of light, whose value is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, and h is Planck's constant, whose value is 6.626 into 10 raised to power 34 joule second. Thank you.